Hey friends, it's Carol here. I just wanted to sit with you today. Nothing fancy. I really don't ever do anything fancy, anyways. But just want to share what's been going on behind the scenes. Okay, I've been where you might be right now, wanting more time with your family, friends, grandkids, but still needing income to be able to pay your bills. You know, I think we've all experienced that. What's sad is when we're experiencing that and we're hitting our golden years or getting ready to get into our golden years. So take a look at this. This has changed everything for me. Okay, these are commissions that have been coming in from this budget friendly funnel that I set up. Okay, and these commissions come in even when I'm sleeping or spending time with my granddaughter. And I don't say this to brag, I say this to give you hope. Okay, because if I can do it, you darn well can do it too. Okay, because I ain't techie. All right, and what's making this possible is a simple funnel. All right, this simple funnel right here. Step 1, $10 business. Step 2, the funnel. Step 3, send traffic. Boom, you're set. Okay, it's literally that easy. You do have to be consistent with driving traffic every day. I will say that you do need to do that, but the funnel does the selling and telling for you. It takes people through this step by step so you don't have to explain it over and over and over again. Okay, and the best part is it's not going to drain your wallet. It's not going to drain your bank account because it's budget friendly. It was created for us that are on tight budgets, and that you could still have success online. I know what it feels like to watch time fly by and feel like there's no way to get caught up because the bills just keep coming. No way to build something steady without a huge investment or needing a ton of tech skills. Okay, I needed something that worked for me, not the other way around. And honestly, this funnel has been such a blessing. I cannot begin to say what a blessing this has been. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels, or if you just want something that works in the background while you live your life, take a serious look at this. It's simple and affordable, and it works. Okay, as long as you work it, it works. If you put nothing into this, if you don't put effort into this, this will not work. Okay, this is a brutally honest video. Maybe not brutally, but it's an honest video. You can't expect your sponsor or people to do everything for you. You need to put effort into it. Okay, I'll drop the link below and you can take a look at it and see exactly how it comes together. Thanks for letting me share this moment with you, and I pray that this helps somebody out there who's been searching for a way forward. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.